If you have pixellab and you have limited fonts, this is how you can add more fonts in your pixellab app. The first thing we are going to be doing is download our font. So I'm going to show you how to download your fonts. Come to this site, dafont.com. Now when you come here, you are going to see a lot of fonts for you to download. You can click on any of these to explore. You are going to see lots of fonts for you to download. Now pick the particular font you want and then click on download. I'm just going to pick this particular font and then I'm going to click on download to download it. Now after downloading it, I'm going to click on open and then I'll click extract to extract the font. Now there are a lot of persons their phone will not allow them to extract directly. Once you download a font, you are supposed to extract it because most fonts they will come as zipped file. You are supposed to be able to extract it, but some phones will not allow you to extract directly. If your phone is that type of phone that will not allow you to extract directly, there is no need for you to worry. All you just need to do is that after downloading the font, go to Play Store, download an app called Archiver, and then when you download it, open the app. When you open the app, go to your download, click on it, and then search for the particular font that you downloaded. The name of the font I downloaded is called Redotic, so I'm going to click on it and then search for it. Now this is it. The zipped file is what I want to extract, so I'm going to click on it and then you see extract here. Click on it and then click on this place to extract it. After you have extracted it successfully, the next thing for you to do is to come to your pixellab. Now on pixellab, click on test and then just pick or just write anything. You can just even leave it at new test. Now click on your test, write anything, then scroll to your right. This is your right. Scroll to your right and then look for font. Click on the font and then click on this middle place. When you click on the middle place, you are going to see this and you are going to see this. Now I'm going to be explaining the difference between the both of them. Now if you want to pick fonts one after the other, one by one, pick the first one. If you want to add the whole font in a folder, then pick the second one. Now I just want to pick one font, which is the font we downloaded. So I am going to click on this place and then I'm going to click on my download button, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to start looking for my font here. So the name of the font is, I think, Redotic, so we have to start looking for it here. Now this is the font, I have seen it, so I'm just going to click on it and then I'm going to mark it and then I'll click on add selected and my font has been added. After my font has been successfully added, if I want to look for the font, let's say I want to change anything, it's just for me to search the name of the font and then as you can see it has changed here. So if we press OK, you see that we now have a new font in pixellab. Now if you are coming across the channel for the first time, remember to click the subscribe button, remember to like this video, and remember to drop a thank you if you gained something from this video.